Let's see how to use video clips and edit them in the editor. Starting with the Media tab in the left menu, click on the Video section. You can upload your own video, which is best if you create branded content, but you can also use videos from the media library. If you're using it for YouTube, you usually have a license for that, so make sure you're allowed to use it. You can search video clips with keywords under the recording button. Next to it, there's a filter where you can choose to see only free videos or select if you want to see generative AI video clips. Another filter is for the video dimensions. That way, you can see only the video clips that fit what you're looking for. In the list, you'll see that some videos have a crown and some don't. The videos with the crown are for paid users, and you have a license to use them in commercial and social media videos. You can also see how long each video clip is, so if you need something longer, you'll know exactly how much time it takes. There's a heart button on each clip. If you click it, the clip will go to your Stuff tab under Favorites. You can later remove it by clicking the heart again. This is useful for organizing all the media you have on Adobe Express. If you want to add a video, just click on it and it will appear on the canvas. It might be small at first, so you can move and resize it however you want. Right-clicking on the video gives you more options, like duplicate, delete, or move it to the back of the canvas. This is useful if you want the video as a background and plan to add more layers on top. If you want the video to fill the entire canvas, click on it, then go to the Edit panel on the left and choose Fill Video. It will now fill the whole page. If you had other elements behind the video, they won't be deleted. You'll just need to bring them to the front by dragging them in the Layers panel on the right. On the timeline, you'll see the video you added. If you have more than one video, click on the layer or the video on the canvas to show it on top in the timeline. The clip will fill the scene completely, but it depends on what was the first item added to that scene. If you want to make the clip longer, you can drag the scene to extend it. If the clip is longer than the scene, just drag the video edge to make it fit. If the clip is shorter, you'll see white space at the end. You can add more clips there, or if you want the video to repeat, you can duplicate it and place the second clip right after the first one. You'll notice a small jump when the clip ends and restarts. If you want it to look smoother, it's better to use a new scene and add a dissolve effect between the clips. When you add two clips to the same scene, you can have them play at the same time, or you can use the timeline to start one clip when the other has stopped. Click on the clip you want to show first. You can click on the clip in the main monitor or on the right side where you have the layers, so it's easier to find the right clip if you have a few elements on the monitor, one on top of another. You don't see the layer timing, you can turn the switch on, and it will appear. The layer you're working on will show at the top of the main timeline. Then drag it to the length you want it to play. Then click on the other clip and drag it to start where the first clip ends. You will see a purple dot that shows where the first clip ends, so you can match it. When you put two clips on the same scene, you can't use transitions between them, but you can use the animation tool to add effects to each one separately. Most of the time, it is better to use a different scene for different clips if they don't need to be on the screen at the same time. To add the transition, click on the first clip where you want to add it. Then, on the left side panel, click on Animation. This will add animation at the end of the clip, so choose the Out option and pick the effect you want to use. In this example, I used a simple dissolve, so I chose Fade. Then click on the next clip and do the same. Click on Animation, and this time choose In so the clips will blend together. Use Fade again to match the effect. This will create a smooth transition. If you want it to look professional, it's better to use the same animation effect on both clips so it feels like one continuous transition. There are more things you can do with Adobe Express, and you can watch the next video to get inspired. Like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.